The final image which we get after I Photoshop this is not even similar to the image which you are seeing right now. Let's just get started. Hello there, I hope you guys are doing well. As many of you might know, I have not posted a video for about a week now, and that is fairly unusual in my channel considering my videos were more frequent. Now, I completely apologize for that. I of course cannot make any excuses, but I do have a reason for it. And the major reason being that there are a lot of stuff going on right now. I have exams to prepare for, giveaways to plan, game assets to write, operating system to build. Not to mention there are some videos which I am planning for which does take up a lot of time. With that being said, I will try to post my videos more frequently from now on and also get back on track. I apologize for that again, and with that said, let's just continue with the image. And with all of that done, here is my final image. This is the final result which we could do. And of course this is not even similar to what we had before. It has a completely new background, and even the foreground has new lighting. With that said, go ahead, like the video, subscribe right away so that you don't miss out on any other content, and I will meet you in the next video.